Miracle factory that survived the crisis gave me surprising words. About 20 years ago, a factory asked me to introduce Asprover. I visited the factory with a distributor. We gave a presentation at the factory and demonstrated that Asprover could handle the factory's requests. Asprover is a production scheduling software. Asprover has more than 3,000 functions and realizes customers' requests by master table settings and parameter settings instead of program development. So we often get prospect decision at once in a day without making a lot of documents which explain how to develop. We can make prospects see Asprover manage all their requests through one demonstration. They said,
Asprova is as great as the rumor. It solves the problems that a planning staff is having.
I asked, how much time does he currently spend on planning?
Around 4 hours every week.
I thought they would not buy. I was so disappointed. Customers who purchase Asprover have at least 2 or 3 people in charge of planning. Some have dozens. Asprover makes it one person. So the higher the number of people in charge of planning, the higher the deployment rate of Asprover. There is no way for one person to reduce it further, and with a 4-hour work weekly, it would take more than 10 years to recoup the cost. I figured that's where we'd end up when it comes to price. And it came.
How much?
Well, license is blah blah blah. Implementation is blah blah blah. But a part-timer can run it by herself now, so you might consider it's a little expensive. But words of surprise came back to me.
No. If the 4-hour job can be done in 10 minutes, I'll buy Asprova. We don't make humans do that kind of work, which software handles easily.
It's been almost 20 years since then, and I've never heard such a story again. This factory is Fujifilm. At that time, the photographic film business was still going strong, and Fujifilm was competing with Kodak for the top spot in the world. Since then, digitization has reduced that market to less than 1/10 of what it was. Kodak, the world's #1 company, has gone bankrupt. Fujifilm has survived through a series of innovations that have been described as miracles and has continued to succeed in the medical device and cosmetics markets with significant sales growth. There are many articles and books on its innovation. What I can tell you is that tea was treated at a place like a coffee shop in a factory. Very beautiful. There are factory worker canteens everywhere, but no coffee shop like this. I understand Fujifilm values its employees and considers the essence of work what is important. And so they did miracle.